You ready? Send it.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Yo, what's up guys? It's your boy BK, and we're back at it with another video for the love of speed. And for today's video, I got a surprise for you guys. So you'll see I'm gonna be adding something new to the Shelby, and it'll be done by, I'd say, I think by afternoon or evening, late afternoon, somewhere around that time. And then potholes are bad in Michigan. It's like one of the worst things to do, driving while there's a lot of potholes. So what I'll be doing is be dropping off the car, and then it's gonna be finished by, like I said, later in the afternoon, late evening. And then I'll reveal what's done to the Shelby, and it's gonna be something new, not a single Shelby that I've seen out there that has. So yeah, like I said, it's gonna be the only Shelby with this setup. And so right now I had to stop by, get some gas. I was running low on gas, and see you guys at the next part. Alright guys, we're at the shop right now, and Shelby's over here, so you know, should be going in anytime. Right now I'm about to take it in. Yo, what's up guys? So we're back, and actually got done before I expected it to be done, you know, about around this time. So I'm picking up the car right now, and I'll be revealing what got done to the Shelby. Alright guys, so I'm gonna have him pull it out right now, so
Can't wait to see it, man.
that shit is sick.
Wait, I'm looking at the glasses, man.
Yeah, I don't know why you even got the glasses on.
No.
Oh yeah, that thing is beautiful. I told you it's gonna be something else. No other Shelby.
He's changed the color. Let's look outside. Mirrors on them? Yeah. And it's going red. So this kind of car, this is something different. Yeah, definitely.
The whole setup is sick. Alright guys, and I'm at the shop right now, so this is inside the shop, and shout out to Ryan and Lance. Alright guys, so I've gotten the car, and I got it somewhere where so I can get a clean look at it, a nice spot for it, and I'll be showing you guys how up close, how it looks and stuff like that. And let's get to it. Man, I just can't get enough of it. Look, just beautiful. It's gonna look way more sick once I clean the calipers, you know, clean up the car basically. Look at it. Man, this thing is sick. And I also got the reflective lights done, You know, they're blacked out. Also the back one. And this one too. And with the side skirt, the one that's over there, got the red striping over there. The mirror is red, and then that's gloss black. And then the GT500 writing is in red.